Welcome to our travel adventure through Turkey, a country that beautifully bridges the East and West, rich in history and culture. With its stunning landscapes ranging from the sun-kissed beaches of the Mediterranean to the breathtaking mountains of the Anatolian Plateau, Turkey offers a diverse array of experiences for every traveler. Imagine wandering through ancient ruins that tell tales of empires long gone, or savoring the flavors of a vibrant culinary scene that reflects centuries of tradition. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the best places to visit in Turkey, showcasing not just the iconic landmarks like the majestic Hagia Sophia and the surreal landscapes of Cappadocia, but also hidden gems that capture the essence of Turkish hospitality and culture. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or simply looking to relax, Turkey has something special for you. So, buckle up as we explore the top travel destinations that make Turkey a must-visit on your travel bucket list. Get ready to be inspired and excited about your next adventure in this enchanting country. Istanbul, a city where East meets West, is a vibrant tapestry of history and modernity that captivates every visitor. As you stroll through its streets, you'll encounter iconic landmarks that tell the story of its rich past. The Hagia Sophia, once a cathedral and later a mosque, stands as a testament to architectural brilliance, while the stunning Blue Mosque, with its intricate tile work and towering minarets, offers a serene escape in the heart of the city. No visit to Istanbul would be complete without exploring the bustling Grand Bazaar, one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world. Here you can lose yourself among the colorful stalls filled with everything from hand-woven carpets to exquisite jewelry, all while haggling for the best price in a truly unique shopping experience. And let's not forget the culinary delights that await you. Istanbul's rich food scene is a feast for the senses, featuring traditional Turkish dishes like kebabs, mezes, and baklava that will tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're dining in a cozy local eatery or enjoying street food from a vendor, the flavors of Istanbul are sure to leave a lasting impression. Welcome to Cappadocia, a region that feels like stepping into a fairy tale with its otherworldly landscapes and unique geological formations. The iconic fairy chimneys, towering rock formations shaped by centuries of erosion, create a surreal backdrop that is unlike anywhere else on Earth. As you wander through this enchanting land, you'll discover ancient cave dwellings carved into the soft volcanic rock, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who once called this place home. One of the most unforgettable experiences in Cappadocia is taking a hot air balloon ride at sunrise. As the sun begins to rise, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, illuminating the fairy chimneys and valleys below. Floating high above the landscape, you'll be treated to breathtaking views that will leave you in awe of nature's beauty. For those looking to delve deeper into Cappadocia's history, exploring the region's underground cities is a must. These fascinating subterranean complexes carved out of the rock were once used as hiding places during times of conflict. Be sure to wear comfortable shoes and bring a flashlight to navigate the narrow passageways and discover the secrets hidden beneath the surface. Cappadocia truly offers a magical experience for every traveler. Welcome to Pamukkale, often referred to as the Cotton Castle, a breathtaking natural wonder that captivates visitors with its stunning thermal pools and rich history. The travertine terraces, formed over thousands of years by the mineral-rich waters flowing from the hot springs, create a mesmerizing landscape of cascading white formations. These terraces not only offer a unique visual spectacle, but are also renowned for their healing properties, attracting those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. Just a stone's throw away lies the ancient city of Hierapolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that adds a layer of historical significance to your visit. Founded in the 2nd century BC, Hierapolis was a thriving spa city, and its well-preserved ruins, including a grand theater and ancient baths, provide a fascinating glimpse into the past. As you explore Pamukkale, take the time to dip your toes in the warm, mineral-rich waters and experience the unique beauty of this natural wonder for yourself. Whether you're soaking in the terraces or wandering through the ancient ruins, Pamukkale promises an unforgettable journey that combines nature's artistry with a rich tapestry of history. Don't miss the chance to witness this extraordinary destination on your travels. Step back in time as we delve into the ancient city of Ephesus, one of the most significant archaeological sites in the world. This once thriving metropolis was a vital hub of commerce and culture in ancient Roman history, and its impressive ruins continue to tell the story of a vibrant past. Among the highlights is the magnificent Library of Celsus, an architectural marvel that once housed thousands of scrolls and served as a monumental tomb for its patron, Tiberius Julius Celsus. Its stunning facade, adorned with intricate carvings, stands as a testament to the ingenuity of ancient builders. Just a short walk away, the Great Theater of Ephesus looms large, capable of seating up to 25,000 spectators. This impressive structure was not only a venue for theatrical performances, but also a gathering place for the community, showcasing the importance of entertainment and social life in ancient times. As you wander through the marble streets and explore the remnants of temples and public buildings, take a moment to imagine life in this bustling city. Picture the merchants selling their wares, the philosophers debating ideas, and the citizens enjoying the vibrant culture that once thrived here. Ephesus invites you to experience history in a way that is both captivating and unforgettable. Welcome to Bodrum, a picturesque coastal town that truly embodies the charm of the Aegean Sea. Known for its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters, Bodrum is a paradise for sun-seekers and water enthusiasts alike. Whether you prefer lounging on the soft sands of Gumbit Beach or exploring the hidden coves along the coastline, the natural beauty of this region is simply breathtaking. The inviting turquoise waters are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or indulging in various water sports. As the sun sets, Bodrum transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife. The town comes alive with an array of bars, clubs, and beach parties that cater to every taste. Enjoy a delicious meal at one of the many local restaurants, where you can savor fresh seafood and traditional Turkish dishes while soaking in the lively atmosphere. Don't miss the historical Bodrum Castle, a stunning fortress that overlooks the harbor. Built in the 15th century, this impressive structure houses the Museum of Underwater Archaeology, showcasing artifacts from ancient shipwrecks and offering a glimpse into the region's rich maritime history. Bodrum is not just a destination, it's an experience that combines natural beauty, vibrant culture, and historical significance. As we wrap up our journey through the best places to visit in Turkey, it's clear that this incredible country offers a remarkable diversity of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. From the rich cultural heritage found in the bustling streets of Istanbul to the surreal landscapes of Cappadocia and the natural wonders of Pamukkale, each destination tells its own unique story. The ancient ruins of Ephesus and the vibrant coastal town of Bodrum further showcase Turkey's blend of history, beauty, and adventure. We encourage you to explore these captivating destinations on your next trip, as they promise unforgettable memories and experiences that will stay with you long after your journey ends. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a deep dive into history, Turkey has something special waiting for you. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more travel content, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel adventures and tips. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see you on our next journey.